This is Utah Public Radio. Flicks at 48 is up next with Casey T. Allen. Hi, Casey.
Hi.
And we are continuing our online movie review, and I can't wait to hear what you watched this week.
I saw the comedy Buffaloed. When the opening shot of a film is a close-up of a young woman's face screaming an expletive slightly above the camera, it's a good sign viewers have started a crass, biting comedy that will keep them entertained. Actress Zoey Deutch plays a loud, street-smart hustler determined to get out of her blue-collar life in Buffalo, New York, through her passion for money and her even bigger passion for scamming people. Her plans for financial success take her to a job as a debt collector, where she discovers a world of scamming all its own. But this ferocious woman's attempts to improve the debt-collecting system bring about arguments, death threats, gunshots, and a deflated sex doll. While the original screenplay has boring one-liners, it achieves at being funny and skewering the shameless, unregulated business of debt collecting. Buffaloed felt like other comedies of underworld money-grabbing like The Wolf of Wall Street and The Big Short, but on a much smaller scale and with visibly fewer resources. Buffaloed is not going to be receiving any awards or nominations, but it was okay and will at least get some viewers laughing.
All right, so this is a mild recommendation on this one.
Yes, a good way to put it, mild. Not amazing, but it was just okay.
Well, we will look forward to having you back here next week and get your next movie recommendation, Casey. Thanks for being here.
I'll be ready.
The more teeth forking, I have a